plants. What organs do they have?
Yes, leaves, roots, and stems are organs of plants. Like animal tissues, these are also made of tiny units of cells.
What about the cells themselves, though? What exactly is their function? And how do they perform their tasks?
Well, related with it. Let's look at the structure of a cell first. The basic components of a cell are cytoplasm, cell membrane, and nucleus. Actually, I can show you these parts using a microscope. Let's take a sample for viewing. Here's an onion bulb. To view the onion cell, you need to remove a thin peel from the onion bulb. Spread the peel on the glass slide and put a drop of water on it. Water will prevent the peel from drying. Then, add a drop of methylene blue solution to the peel. Place a cover slip on it. Tap the cover slip gently to prevent the formation of air bubbles in the slide. Now, the slide is ready. Now, observe the slide through the microscope and tell me what you see.
I see a big empty space in the center of the cell.
That's the vacuole. A vacuole gives a rigid shape to the cell. It also stores waste and food materials in it. The shape of a cell is rigid due to the presence of the cell wall. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, separates one cell from another, separates the cell from the surrounding medium, and allows the movement of minerals and other substances in and out of the cell.
I see a thick covering enclosing the cell. What's that?
The outer thick layer is the cell wall made of cellulose. Plants cannot move from one place to another. Therefore, plant cells require cell walls to protect the cell from climatic changes like a rise or fall in temperature, high wind speeds, and atmospheric moisture. Between the nucleus and the cell membrane, we find a jelly-like fluid called the cytoplasm. It contains a number of organelles. Do you remember how plants prepare their food?
Sure, through photosynthesis. We learned that at school.
See those colored structures present in the plant cell? Those are plastids. Chloroplast is a type of plastid involved in photosynthesis in plants.
Oh, so this is what gives the leaves the green color?
Correct. The other organelles that you see are mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, and endoplasmic reticulum. We won't get into the details of these right now. First, let's focus on the basic components of a cell.
What about the dark spherical structure in the cell?
The dark spherical structure is the nucleus. It controls the activities of the cell. It contains the nucleolus. You can view the nucleolus if you have a microscope with higher magnification. It is a smaller sphere. The nucleus also contains thread-like structures called the chromosomes. Chromosomes are called the vehicles of heredity because they carry genes and help in the inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. Let me explain.